Welcome to our guide on how to move a post to trash on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Step 3. Scroll down on your profile until you find the specific post you want to move to the trash. Then tap on the 3 dots located next to the post. Step 4. In the options that appear, tap on Move to Trash to send the post to your trash folder. Step 5. Confirm your action by tapping on Move to complete the process of moving the post to the trash. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and declutter your posts on Facebook by moving selected posts to the trash using your Android device. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to move a post to the trash on Facebook. Keep your profile organized and tidy by removing unwanted posts and maintaining a clean digital space.